Hey everyone, this is Katerina Christakos. If you're here, it's because you want to learn how to create lead magnets very, very quickly. And this is the tool I use. I have a link to it underneath the video. Let me show you how quickly you can create tons of lead magnets. Create new project. Okay, I have the upgraded version, which lets me not only import from URLs, that means you can go to your website, give it a URL from your website, and it'll create a lead magnet from it. You could do WordPress, you can do Google Docs, you can do importing from a podcast, importing from YouTube, importing from Facebook Live. It has a ton of options. But I'm going to do the simple stuff for you right now. Import from blog. I'm going to go to one of my blogs here. I'm going to grab a URL. I'm going to pop it over here. Fetch. And this will take a couple seconds. But you're going to see how amazing this tool is. Okay, click Next. Now this was a article about a baby product. So I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to find a baby product or something with parents and babies to use here. Look at all the different templates they have. And I really, really like this one because it was about sleeping. So we're going to use this one. Now watch what it just did. This, everything in here was from here. Okay? Recognize it? And I didn't have to do anything there. Now, over here, it took the name of the article. Now, I like the baby sleep miracle review, but this part over here, I don't need. So we're going to take that out. Boom. We're going to replace this with my name. And if that's too big, like it was there, just go here. And we're going to make it, let's say, 22. Perfect. And then you just scroll down and you see if there's anything else that needs to be changed, like this here. I don't like it, so I can delete that. And this didn't show up. That's fine. We're going to delete that. If I wanted to put a different image in, you could. Just click over here, and you can add elements, like media right there. Okay. Now, at the end of this, they usually give you, an extra page, so you can put a call to action in here. You can thank them for reading it, whatever you want to do. And if you want a call to action, you just click here and you would bring it over, okay? Drag this into content below the code. Okay, that's fine. So call to action. See, right there. So with a call to action, you could have a button here that goes to whatever link you want, and you'd put the link there. You see how easy this whole thing is? Took us, what, less than a couple minutes? And then you would just publish it, and now let me show you some pretty cool stuff here too. So you publish it, you can do a PDF if you want. If the images are not optimized, it'll optimize them for you. Now look at this. If this was original content, okay, let's say you had a how-to YouTube video, right? You import it in like this. You could take that and turn it into a Kindle book and sell it on Kindle. You can turn it into an EPUB. You can turn it into an HTML, so another web page. It's very, very cool, and it's very, very easy. If this sounds pretty interesting to you, pretty cool, click on the link below. Get this for yourself because it makes my life easier, and I know it's going to make your life easier. Have a great day.